You already know what's about to happen, man. I got the master slider right here with me, man.
I let him drive my Hellcat, and this happened. Also, this is his car.
That ladders, I don't know what, boy. That thing is crazy. Sheesh. Yeah, I say it's worth the trip to South Carolina.
That thing was like bop, 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 bop. That shit was going nuts. Michael, you gotta try that on.
Gotta put it on the cat, man. Gotta be popping. My cat look too plain now.
You gotta get some stripes this time. Rico doing it right.
My boy going crazy, man.
Rico.
Yo! Right out Rico, right out Rico!
These the boys, you know what I'm saying? With the money, with the goddamn 5-0, with the Hellcat, my boy. What's going on?
Bro, you went into South Carolina for that shit?
Yeah.
God damn. Jason sent me the clip. I was like, yo.
I saw it, bro. It just popped up on my phone. I was like, oh, bro, ain't no way. I was like, that's Rico.
I like the slow line. I like the fast and slow. I like it.
Hey, Jason, get behind him.
You got that. You got the mod.
Hey, we got a camera now, you know what I'm saying? No more recording on the phone, you feel me? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And look, another thing. Your credit is bad. Stop playing with your credit, man. Tap in with my boy, for real, for real. Tap in with my boy,
Yes, sir. Get yourself a Hellcat or a scatpack or a 5-0, man. Come on.
Shit. Well, type joint.
You already know.
I've been on YouTube in a minute, but I'll be back.
That boy taking his little hiatus, bro. You already know what's about to happen, man. I got the master slider right here with me, man. Close your eyes and make it happen.
Let you take the wheel type shit.
You already know, man. I'm about to give my boy the red key. You already know, man. We about to try to make this Hellcat as loud as possible, bro. You about to hear the pots and everything.
Let's get to it, man. Let's get to it.
Golly.
Good God.
I need to put my seat up more. Woo!
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm nervous as hell, bro. I'm gonna put your seat up a little bit.
Hey, I'm gonna put the light on real quick just so they can see.
Yeah. All right, so boom, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too far different from a scat, so I'm gonna put it in sport type shit. Lower the window down because it's more tinted.
Shit.
Hey, let's not be like that one guy.
I don't know.
Yeah.
This shit crazy as This ain't cat, boy. This shit crazy, bro.
It's a big cat. This ain't a little.
Bro, this shit crazy, bro. This a build-to-wish foundation type shit.
Damn, boy. This going crazy.
I'm shaking, bro.
Yeah, bitch, I'm shaking. I'm shaking like a motherfucker. Yeah, damn.
You gonna know how to drive this shit better than me, though.
Bro, this shit
Yeah, bro, I feel
crazy.
like I'm shaking like a motherfucker.
Bro, the way this shit pulled is crazy, bro. I'm speechless, bro. I'm trying to give you good content, but I'm speechless right now, bro. That shit.
That boy showing what that cat do.
There's that cat talk.
that shit now. That's crazy, bro.
Too crazy, boy. Tell me.
I'm gonna park it like this, bro. I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie. This
It's too crazy, bro.
Hey, look. Props to your brother for learning how to drive in a Hellcat, bro. This shit crazy, bro. This is crazy.
What you looking at?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
My bad, my bad.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm taking baby steps, bro. I know that shit felt crazy because I seen when y'all left, I'm like, he ain't taking
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's
that shit got a
Look,
nigga
man.
like this.
You got the money, man? Get you a Hellcat. Oh my god.
Hey,
Bro, look, no bullshit.
that boy was driving that thing.
How was it?
Nigga, what? This shit is crazy, bro. I'm speechless, bro. I feel like
That adrenaline must be crazy right now.
bro, what?
Cause Michael be shaking too. He be like, bro,
I'm lightheaded, bro.
adrenaline, bitch.
Hey, that boy was like,
Which way y'all go? Y'all went like down there, turned around, came back?
yeah.
Like, you.
Damn.
Top in the scat.
I'm the scat. Show him what it's at.
It was crazy, boy. Right in the scat now, man.
Let's put our seatbelts on, you know what I'm saying, before we get down. Folks talking crazy in the comments.
Damn, bitch. Don't tell me she been on. Hell yeah, bro. Always.
They sound crazy. Why?
It just adrenaline. It don't hit you the same. When you driving, you don't feel it. When you're a passenger, man, you feel everything.
Damn, why you driving so damn slow?
Bro, you online? That thing do like 5 pops at once.
That shit crazy. It ain't a Hellcat, you feel me? But she still pull a little bit, you know what I'm saying?
Yo.
It's my little babe. Bro, I'm still shaking from the cat, bro. That is so crazy. That is so crazy.
Bruh. That thing is stupid though. It still puts you back.
That shit was. This shit sound angry. Like, why the f you turn me on?
Hey, yo.
Good job, dude. Baby, I'm gonna go home. Tell me your friend take you home.
Bro, that thing is crazy, bro. I hope the light look good in the video. God damn, that shit was crazy. Hey man, that's a scat for you.
All right, Rico.
That boy. Don't kill him now. Hey, that thing sounded crazy, bro.
Crazy.
Bro, I don't know how your brother drive that shit, bro, but that shit crazy as bro. I gotta pay him for some lessons or some shit, bro. That shit crazy. Damn, you here, bro? Here.
They got that shit in that one.
Hey, I'm gonna trade my Hellcat for his scat pack, bro, cause woo, boy, that thing was popping, man. Yo, I hope y'all can see that. I think the lighting was kind of bad, but look, you just need to listen to the audio, bro. That thing was crazy, bro. Woo. Put in the comments below what sounded better, bro. Obviously, I know the scat sounded better, but boy, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what he did in the cat, man, but that thing did not sound like my car. I swear, he made it sound like a completely different car when he was driving it. So I don't know what he be doing, bro. I don't know.
Bro, especially that manual, bro. Look, you got a problem with him, you got a problem with me, bro. That's all I'm gonna say, bro.
That shit's
crazy, bro. That's crazy, bro.
I was booming that bitch. That shit was redlining. My lights were turning on. That shit said. And then when I went from second to third, it was just. That shit was it.
That bitch sound louder than last time.
I told you
that shit, bro. What you be doing in the cat that you made it sound different, bro?
I just be playing with the paddle shit. Like I know how to shift the car. I don't know, bro. I'm speechless. I'm stuttering. Hold on, give me a second, bro. Let me goddamn catch myself. Boom. I drive it manual.
That's crazy. Cause I be driving a manual, but I don't know how to shift the paddle like that.
That's why I don't know if you noticed, but I be looking at the speed and like the RPMs.
Yeah.
To know when to shift it, like when to like shift it up or like downshift it. So.
That's crazy. We gotta do a tutorial one day. Be like, this is when I shift. I got the whole POV thing, but it feel weird on your head.
Oh yeah.